Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is a Brother DCP-1612W laser printer that's wireless and it's generating dark lines on the pages. And what I need to do is to take out the ink cartridge and the roller. First thing I've done is obviously unplug it completely from the mains. Lift it apart. And then you can lift the other section up, and then there's a little catch down here and you can lift out the entire mechanism, which is the laser printer ink, and the green part with the black roller on is the roller. And what's happening is obviously there's some dirt or grime on the roller which is causing ink to stick to it, so what I need to do is to clean it. So what I need to do is to just reduce that catch and move away the laser printer ink, and then we've got the roller mechanism. And if we actually look down there, you can see there's the roller, but unfortunately it's fully enclosed and there doesn't appear to be an easy way to get it out. So what we're going to have to do, let me just turn it around, is we're going to have to clean it. One of the best things to do is to put on some gloves, because the oil on your skin will cause ink to stick to the roller if it gets on there. With some isopropyl alcohol on these cloths to clean the roller. This gets rid of grease and also evaporates very quickly without doing damage. As you can see from the dirt that's coming off. Once I've done one part, what I need to do is push this roller down towards me in order to expose the next section a little bit at a time. Just turn the cloth over. As you can see, there's quite a lot of ink and dirt on it, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. With the glove on, I can actually just use my thumb to push the roller, because there's no dirt coming off my thumb, which in fact speeds the process up. And just make sure my thumb's clean before I do it. So I think I've been round completely, so now what I'm going to do is to just use this dry one just to polish that up. As you can see, it's coming up clean. It's really important to get any smearing and any residue off that's left by the alcohol, which should in fact be very little as it's 90%. And then this technique will work with most rollers as long as you can actually get to the roller. But it's important that you use isopropyl alcohol and don't just use some other cheap alcohol, because you don't want anything leaving a residue. So if we look at the cloth now, we can see there's nothing on it. So this one has actually done all the work. So now what I need to do is to just slot this back in and put it back in the printer. Okay. Close that down. There we go. I'll switch it on and do a test print. There you go, absolutely perfect. This is actually part of the picture. It's a grayscale picture, but as you can see up here, absolutely perfect. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos. There's over 500 to choose from. Lots of money saving tips and fixes. If any of the videos help you, please use the super thanks below, the heart shape, to buy me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye.